Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best steam cleaner for cars that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Bissell SteamShot OmniReach handheld steam cleaner. This compact and affordable option is perfect for quick cleaning tasks. Featuring high-pressure steam at over 215 degrees Fahrenheit, it powers through grime, grease, and tough messes with ease. With a heat-up time of only 3 minutes and a 10-ounce tank, you get roughly 10 minutes of continuous steam, ideal for smaller jobs. Plus, it comes with 10 versatile tools, making it suitable for cleaning everything from grout to fabric and even car tire rims. The design is lightweight, portable, and ergonomic, weighing only 4 pounds, which makes it easy to maneuver. Its 16-foot cord minimizes the hassle of constantly replugging, although the tank size limits how long you can clean without refilling. It's a chemical-free cleaning solution, great for households with kids and pets. However, note that the unit must remain upright to avoid leakage, which can be a minor inconvenience. Overall, the Bissell SteamShot is a fantastic budget option for quick touch-ups in your car or around the house. It's best suited for those who need a handheld cleaner for simple tasks rather than heavy-duty cleaning. While it may not match the power and runtime of more expensive models, it's a reliable choice at an unbeatable price point. Pros: affordable, lightweight, chemical-free. Cons: small tank, limited runtime. At number 4, we have the Cowtop Steam Cleaner, a mid-range option that packs a surprising amount of power for its price. With a robust 2500-watt motor and a rapid heat-up time of just 15 seconds, this unit generates steam at 221 Fahrenheit and delivers high-pressure output at 50 psi, making it effective for removing tough dirt, grease, and stains. The large 1400-milliliter tank provides up to 45 minutes of runtime, perfect for extended cleaning sessions without constant refilling. Its lightweight 4.4-pound build and compact dimensions make it highly portable, while the included 16 accessories, such as brass brushes, nylon brushes, and fabric guards, cater to a variety of surfaces. Whether you're tackling grout, upholstery, tile, or even detailing your car, the Cowtop offers versatility in spades. The 3-level adjustable steam control ensures precision, while its eco-friendly design eliminates the need for harsh chemicals. The Cowtop is ideal for users who want an affordable yet powerful steam cleaner for both home and car use. It's particularly great for auto detailing and deep cleaning furniture. However, the plastic construction may feel less durable compared to premium models, and its shorter hose and cord combo could limit reach in larger spaces. Pros: powerful motor, fast heat-up, versatile accessories. Cons: plastic build, shorter reach. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is the reveiw Steam Cleaner, a versatile and reliable option for both home and car cleaning. Crafted from durable ABS material, this steam cleaner heats up in just 15 seconds, delivering steam at 212 degrees Fahrenheit with 3-bar pressure. The generous 1.69-quart tank provides extended runtime, reducing the need for frequent refills. What's more, its 3-level adjustable steam control lets you customize steam output for delicate surfaces or stubborn grime. Design-wise, the reveiw is compact, weighing just 6.36 pounds, and features an impressive total reach of 158 inches thanks to its long hose and power cord. It comes with 15 accessories, including brushes, extension rods, and microfiber pads, making it suitable for a wide range of cleaning tasks, from tile and grout to upholstery and car detailing. The transparent water tank adds convenience by allowing you to monitor water levels easily. The reveiw stands out for its balance of affordability and performance, making it an excellent choice for users who need a versatile steam cleaner without breaking the bank. However, it lacks the high-pressure output seen in premium models, which may limit its effectiveness on deeply ingrained dirt. Pros: long runtime, versatile accessories, adjustable steam control. Cons: moderate pressure, slightly heavier build. In the runner-up spot, we have the Wagner Spraytech C90054 Auto-Right Multi-Purpose Steam Cleaner. Designed specifically for automotive cleaning, this unit delivers pressurized steam at 212 degrees Fahrenheit to tackle dirt, grease, stains, and grime with ease. The 40-ounce tank heats up in 9 minutes and provides continuous steam for extended cleaning sessions. With 12 included accessories, such as brushes, nozzles, and a squeegee, you'll be well equipped to clean leather, carpets, dashboards, windows, and even household surfaces. The Wagner's design emphasizes portability and usability, featuring a built-in carrying handle and a stand-alone form factor. Weighing 9.75 pounds, it's slightly heavier than other models, but still manageable for most users. The steam-ready indicator light is a helpful touch, ensuring you know when the machine is ready to use. While it's versatile enough for household cleaning, its real strength lies in auto detailing, making it ideal for car enthusiasts who want professional results from the comfort of their garage. The Wagner SprayTech offers excellent value for its price, combining solid performance with reliable build quality. However, its 9-minute heat-up time is longer than some competitors, and the cord length may require frequent repositioning. Pros: automotive-focused design, versatile accessories, solid build. Cons: longer heat-up time, slightly heavier. Claiming the top spot on our list is the McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. This premium steam cleaner is built for heavy-duty cleaning tasks, offering unparalleled performance and versatility. With a massive 64-ounce water tank, it heats up in under 12 minutes and provides an impressive 2 hours of continuous steam. The 23 included accessories, ranging from mop heads to nylon brushes, make it suitable for cleaning everything from tile and grout to carpets, furniture, and cars. Its 4-bar pressure system ensures deep cleaning of even the toughest stains and dirt. The design is robust and well thought out, featuring an extra-long 18-foot power cord and 7-foot steam hose for maximum reach. Despite its 13-pound weight, the canister-style build makes it easy to maneuver during extended cleaning sessions. The McCulloch is entirely chemical-free, making it a safe and eco-friendly option for households with kids and pets. It's particularly effective for car detailing, thanks to its powerful steam output and versatile accessories that can tackle dashboards, upholstery, and tire rims. While the McCulloch MC1385 is the most expensive option on this list, its performance and durability justify the price. It's the perfect choice for users who need a professional-grade steam cleaner for both home and automotive use. Pros: long runtime, powerful steam output, versatile accessories. Cons: higher price, heavier build. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.